Hello everyone, Kimmy's here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. If you haven't done so, just subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any of my future video. So today I'm gonna do this review on this Makartt Polygel kit, and I love it so much, and it's really big. It's a 50 ml, so there's so many polygel will last you all year long. And the fact that the red and the black, absolutely beautiful. So right now Makartt have a really great deal right now on their website. They have everything, a lot of items 50% off for the whole month of October, and it will end on October 31st. So if you guys are love this kit, interesting in it, and Makartt have a lot of great items, go up there and shop. I will link it down below, all the information you need to know, and also use my code Nail by Team Kim for another extra 15% off, so you can save some money. And this month they have a really great sale. Okay, so let's start the nail set. The first thing I do, just push back my cuticle, and after I just file my nail a little bit, and then I use this cuticle nail bit to file around the cuticle area just to remove any of the dead skin. This will help a lot because today I'm not going to trim down my cuticle. And then I'll use just a nail file to buff on top of my natural nail to remove the shine, and use some alcohol wipe to wipe off the dust, and also use it at nail dehydrator to remove all the oil off my nail. And today I'm using this primer from Encapsulating. I love the bottle, it looks so cute. But also I liked it because they have acid free, so when I apply on my nail, I don't have to worry about it burn my skin if it touched my cuticle. And today I'm also going to use this peel off base coat because I'm going to change the nail really often, so this will easier for me to remove the nail when I'm ready to take them off. If you are not like me removing them, then skip that peel off base coat and go straight to the base coat. So today I'm using this base coat from Makartt, and I apply it on all the nail. And when I'm applying it, I really careful, make sure it doesn't touch my cuticle, so the nail will last longer that way, because when the product touches the cuticle, it tends to lip really fast. And also I'm gonna use this nail tip from Encapsulating today, and this one is 5XL square. And let me tell you, this is my favorite. Like, something about it, the nail looks so nice if you are a big fan of long nail and square. And I'm also gonna use this decoration nail leaf and glitter from Kiara Sky, and I really love this one because it's like a holographic look. So the first thing I did, I just applied some base coat, like a sticky layer, so when I'm placing the nail decoration, it will stick on. So I will place this fall leaf on first, and then I'm like a flash cure a little bit so it will stay in place. And then I'll apply another layer of the base coat, and then applying the glitter randomly. So this first nail, it looked really cute, but for some reason when I finish it, the nail leaf didn't really look really shiny, and I didn't know why. Maybe because the base coat I apply not enough, it kind of have air bubble, so that's why the design didn't look that shiny. Because the nail design, the leaf, it kind of like flat, and the nail is curl. Especially this 5XL is really curl, C curl. It have a really high apex. So if you are intending to do this nail design like encapsulate like this, I recommend you to get something to kind of bend the leaf or whatever the design things you want to use. Bend it a little bit to make it a little more curl, so when you place it in the nail it won't make bubble. So after I'm done the nail design, I'm applying that polygel, the black glitter one, and I love this color so much. It's so beautiful. So the next nail, I'm gonna do an ombre, black and red. So I'm gonna applying the black first on the tip area and blend it out like a ombre effect, and then I will applying the red on the cuticle area and blend them down. So when it comes to Makartt Polygel, it's like a stiff polygel. It's more like on the stiffer side. So this is depend on everybody like different. Me, I love polygel that not too stiff, not too runny. So when it comes to Makartt, I like to use 91% alcohol at a slip solution. That's my personal prefer, because to me that is how it worked best for me. It's easier to work with the 91% alcohol rather than the base coat. Somehow to me, when I use base coat as a slip solution, the polygel, it get too sticky for me. So yeah, I like to use the 91% alcohol, but you know, everybody different. So if you can try, you know, either one and you find which one easier you like to work with, then go ahead and do that. So after I blend they both together, I will place it on my nail and cure it in the light for 30 seconds, and then I move on to the next one. This one I keep it really simple. I will do them all red. As you can see, this finger I use base coat at a slip solution, and I find it a little bit sticky for me. So yeah, the next one I think I twisted to the alcohol one. So with this middle finger, I keep it simple, just one color, because I have some plan for it. I would do some nail design on it. So the ring finger, I'll keep the same ombre and the pinky, kind of like the thumb, but I do it just half of the nail like an ombre, not the whole nail. So right now I'm just use alcohol wipe off all that sticky, and I use the top coat to apply underneath the nail before I start to file the nail. This will help the dust won't stick underneath the nail with the sticky. So now I'm just gonna file the nail, and I really love this Femi Beauty Method. It's so much easier, you know, when it comes to file the nail. There's not much to do because the nail already looking nice, the shape. So I just file a little bit on the nail tip and the side, and I move on to use the E file to file around the cuticle area. And today I'm using this ceramic smooth fine, the safety one, just to go around the cuticle area, just to soft the cuticle area, just to smooth them out, make them look more natural, more flush in. And I go ahead and do that to the rest of the nail. After that, I'm gonna buff the nail and making sure everything nice and smooth before I'm applying the top coat. And here how the nail look after being shaped and buffed. So right now I'm just gonna applying the top coat on all of the nail, and I really love how this turned out. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, if you are more simple than me, you can go ahead and leave it the way it is. It looks so beautiful like this, and especially it's already glitter. But me, I'm a little bit extra. So after I'm applying the top coat on all of the nail, I'm also gonna do the rhinestone and some flame design with the reflection gel. And I gotta say, that is my favorite part on this nail set, because it makes me so excited. Like, Something about the gel, reflection gel, it just looks so cool under the flashlight, and especially when I do it, I did it under the flashlight and I look through my camera. It looks so fun. It's really fun to do. I actually have a lot of I have a lot of fun when I did this nail set. So right now I'm gonna draw the nail flame. So the first thing I did, I just like draw a straight line in the middle of the nail just to mark where I wanted to play the flame, making sure it's somewhere kind of in the middle of the nail. I know it's hard to see because I'm using black, and then I will do the curl in the middle and then do the flame out on both sides, one shorter than the other. Yeah, so after I'm doing this black color, kind of like a base, so I know where I'm gonna do when I'm applying the reflection gel. So after I'm done this black one, and then I'm gonna apply the reflection gel on top, and it make it look really fun. So thank you so much for all of your comment in my last video. I mentioned that I hurt myself on my ankle. I twist my ankle, so right now I cannot walk. So I have a lot of hard time just to, being normal and take care of myself and things like that. I need a lot of help from my husband. So thank you so much for your comment and said how, want me to feel better. I'm really appreciate it. Thank you for your support. And I will definitely get better soon, I hope so. So I'm gonna able to keep filming video and come back to the normal routine. Okay, so after I did the black, I'm gonna come in and kind of like do the reflection gel, draw the same thing on top of the black. As here you can see how fun it look when I do it under the flashlight. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and applying that reflection gel on top of the design that I already draw. And something about the reflection gel makes me so happy and excited, just like glow in the dark too. And my video, I already filmed it. I'm just gonna edit it and post it. But I really excited to share with you guys. I'm also gonna do the flame nail again, but this time I'm gonna do something so much brighter, more standout, and also glow in the dark. So it's gonna be so much fun. So just stay tuned for that. Yeah, I know this nail design, without a flashlight, it doesn't really stand out that much because the black and the red, it kind of blend in together, But because I wanted to do something a little bit different, and it looked really fun under the flashlight. So yeah, I really like this nail. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch it. I'll be right back right now when I'm applying the rhinestone. Gel from Makartt and some rhinestone, like a holographic one, because it go with the design that I'm going today. I'm just gonna make it not too complicated. I'm not gonna use the little bee one, caviar bee. I'm not gonna go with that. I'm just gonna play the big one in the middle of the nail, and then some little one on the side, just to give it a little extra bling bling, something about it and make it feel so fancy. And I love fancy. I always gotta have some bling bling with my nails. Okay, so I'm go ahead and just applying the little one on the side, and then the index finger I will keep it more simple because I still wanted to show the ombre effect, which is I really love how the ombre with the black and the red one. So on the index finger I'm just gonna do the rhinestone around the cuticle area only. So after applying the rhinestone, I'm just gonna apply the top coat on the rhinestone nail and the rest of the nail. My daughter wanna say hi, and she got her nails done. I mean, I just used a double side tape to tape it on her nail just for fun, and it came off right away. But she did have a lot of fun. She had some glitter nails, and she wanted them a little long because she see me wear nail all the time, the long, you know, but to me she's too little for that. So yeah, I just put them on with a double side tape so she can have fun a little bit. And here how they are turn out at the end. I love them so much. And I really have a lot of fun with these nails. So thank you so much guys for watching and staying here. I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys have a great day. And don't forget to subscribe, so I will catch you guys next time so we can be friends and, you know, having fun here and do a lot of fun nails. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.